Marvel Legends is back and better than ever with the launch of the new line Marvel Legends Infinite. The new line focuses on characters related to the current movies, and we can expect awesome figures for years to come because of that. Today we'll be reviewing the Marvel Legends Infinite Black Cat. Black Cat, also known as Felicia Hardy, first appeared in Amazing Spider-Man 194. Hardy is an Olympic-level athlete and expert thief who also gained the power to affect probability caused by the experiments of the villainous Kingpin. The Black Cat has been made into an action figure before in the 6-inch scale, as she was an included character in Toy Biz's 2004 Sinister Six Marvel Legends multi-pack. The original figure was highly criticized for its weak interpretation and likeness to the character. Luckily, Hasbro's take on the character is greatly improved. This Black Cat is an all-new and original female sculpt for Hasbro, and I'm hopeful it will be used for the women of Marvel in the future. The added sculpted over details also perfectly catch the cat's costume, and make her appear to jump straight from the pages of the source material. The paint on this figure is consistent, and like most Hasbro's paint applications, it lacks minute details that more prestigious lines offer. The figure does have a nice blue paint wash added in though, and it really helps make those sculpted details more noticeable. While the Black Cat is a successful figure, it does have two main downsides, the first being her head sculpt. The sculpt itself is perfect, however her long hair hinders all neck articulation, which ends up causing it for stagnant poses. Her greatest flaw, however, is her feet. Cat's feet just look slightly off and petite, and the choice to have her in high heels also makes this figure unbalanced for posing, resulting in her toppling over at the slightest misstep by the Marvel Legends collector. Articulation-wise, Black Cat is consistent with the majority of Hasbro's other Marvel Legends offerings. Like stated before, she has no neck articulation because of her hair, but her shoulders do move in and out. Her elbows can move up and down and side to side. Her hands are articulated to be moved up and down, and they do rotate 360 degrees. Cat also has upper torso articulation, legs that move forward and back and side to side. She has thigh cuts that rotate 360 degrees. She has double jointed knees, and her feet can move forward and back and feature ankle rockers. In addition to the torso that Cat comes with that will help complete Ultimate Goblin, she also features a black whip made from bendable plastic. The whip fits perfectly in her right hand and does increase the variety of ways she can be posed in. In all, the purchase of Black Cat is probably a wise decision. She's incredibly sculpted and heavily articulated. I'd give Black Cat a 7 out of 10. While she's highly accurate to the source material, her flaws in balance and the hindered articulation keep her from being perfect.